This is Sharon here.
I'm Peter here.
Welcome to our home. The theme of my new home is actually modern and Scandi. We have went through a lot of magazines, just to get some ideas. Eventually, we have our own ideas.
We have
Of Jialux.
given a lot of inputs how everything should looks like. Edwin was introduced to us by one of our relatives. Okay, we actually met a few ID prior to meeting with Edwin.
Yeah.
I think the point is, the word to use is sincere. The other ID that we met, I think three of them. We met three of them.
2 or 3. Yeah.
Don't give us that feeling of
Sincerity.
trust also sincerity and trust. That's why we ended up picking Edwin.
Edwin made us feel less stressed. Eventually, we are really very happy with what we have, what is being done for this home. My favorite part is the living room. I love the color scheme. I love the simplicity of the whole place. Also, a lot of storage. As you know, this place is not very big, so storage to me is very important. My cabinet on your left-hand side when you walk in, full of storage. The feature wall itself, we also have storage which allow me to keep all my things.
Favorite one will be my daughter's room, the small little room. We put up a very good design, and after it's done, it doesn't look small anymore. It looks so cozy, it looks so comfortable, and at the end of it, a lot of storage also.
I definitely will recommend Jialux Interior. Basically, I have a very good interior designer that assists us in this whole process, and that's Edwin. And of course, I like the workmanship of the whole renovation. He has given us a lot of after-sales service, and it's not like he will drag, he will attend to us whenever we call.